call a lady bird. Good night, buddy. Good night, bird. I'm gonna call a lady bird. Good night, stars. Good night, ear. On the noses, elevator. The end.
The end. That was very nice to read to me. You're a very nice girl. Abby is going to be 3 next month, and she has listened to the Goodnight Moon story so many times she has memorized it.
I'm not mad.
No, I'm not mad anymore. Why was I mad?
I pooped in the pants and I'm mad.
Yeah, you pooped your pants and made me mad. That wasn't very nice, was it?
I hit.
Yeah. Are you sorry
Yeah.
for pooping your pants?
Sorry.
Yeah, okay. I love you.
I love you. I was taking a picture in the mall.
No, Mama looks just like awful right now, so you can't take pictures of Mama. She's still in her PJs.
PJs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me have it.
No.
Let me have it.
That's mine. Where are you going?
I'm going around.
You're going around?
Yeah. I'm going around in circles.
Yeah, okay. I love you.
Go taking a picture.
Yeah.